Hello students. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic from SSB reasoning classification, also called odd one out. This type of question is very common in the OIR test, where you have to quickly find the item that does not belong to the same group. Now, how do we solve such questions? The basic rule is simple: group the items by their common feature and then identify the one that breaks the pattern. Let us go step by step through the different types. Sometimes you will be given words and you need to pick the one that doesn't fit. Example: rhombus, cylinder, cone, sphere. Here, the odd one is rhombus because it is a 2D figure, while the others are 3D solids. Letters may follow a certain sequence. Example: ukmi, sok, meeb, PLHD. Here, the odd one is meeb because it doesn't follow the same alphabetical sequence rule as the others. Numbers may follow squares, cubes, primes, or arithmetic rules. Example: 16 to 32, 24 to 48, 36 to 72, 32 to 66. Answer is 32 to 66 because it is not exactly double like the others. Here, you must check the relationship between pairs or within groups. Example: 6, 19, 30, 9, 29, 45, 11, 34, 55, 13, 40, 65. The odd one is 9, 29, 45 because it does not follow the same formula as the others. Figures are very common in SSB reasoning. The odd one is usually based on rotation, shape, or symmetry. For example, if 3 figures are symmetrical and one is not, that one becomes the answer. Now let's try some practice questions together. Apple, mango, banana, potato. Odd one is potato because it is a vegetable, others are fruits. 2, 3, 5, 9, 7. Odd one is 9 because it is not a prime number. 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 121. Odd one is 121 because it is not part of the sequence of consecutive perfect squares. AB, CD, EF, GH, IJ. Odd one is IJ because it breaks the skipping pattern. AZ, BY, CX, DV. Odd, DV because it breaks the skipping pattern. Sometimes all options look similar. What should we do then? In such cases, don't overthink. Quickly check for basic rules, shapes, prime numbers, squares, or categories. The one that breaks the simplest rule is usually the correct odd one. Speed and accuracy are both important in OIR tests. Let's do a few more examples. Square, rectangle, circle, triangle. Odd one is circle because others are polygons with straight sides. 8 to 64, 7 to 49, 6 to 36, 5 to 15. Odd one is 5 to 15 because 15 is not the square of 5. 27, 64, 125, 216, 343, 512, 729, 1000, 1024. Odd one is 1024 because it is not a cube number, it is 2 raised to 10. Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Nepal. Odd one is Nepal because it is a country, while the others are Indian cities. So students, that is classification or odd one out. Remember the tips: quickly group items, spot the one that doesn't match, and practice regularly. In SSB OIR tests, you don't have much time, so learn to recognize patterns fast. That's all for today's reasoning class. See you in the next session. Jai Hind.